Now in the previous video we have learnt using the formula. Today we'll start with nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Now it depends nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. You have learnt with the formula nature of the roots of the equation as x is equal to minus b. X is equal to as minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. This is alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Alpha, if x it is minus b plus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a, this is the one root. The other root is what? Minus b minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the second root. There are two roots of the quadratic equation. Now this is x is equal to this value. For the given quadratic equation, it will be are the roots of quadratic equation that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, these roots depend on the value of b squared minus 4ac. So, if value of b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, suppose we get it is equal to 0. Now, when it is equal to 0, then what will happen? Then we get x value as equal to c minus b, yes, plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac. So is equal to 0 means root of 0, it will be 0 upon 2a. So x is equal to here as what? Minus b plus root of 0 upon 2a, or it is minus b minus root of 0 upon 2a. So here x is equal to, therefore what we get? X is equal to as what? Therefore x is equal to as minus b only, because root of 0 is 0 only. Yes. So minus b plus 0 will give you 0 only upon 2a. Upon 2a. Or again x is equal to as minus b and minus root of 0 is 0. Minus 0 will give minus b only upon 2a. So we have got c x value as equal to minus b upon 2a or minus b upon 2a. That means what? When the value of b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then here the nature of the roots are what? Equal. It is equal. It is real and equal. Therefore, so if value of b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. We have got real and equal. Now, now we'll go to next part, second one. If value of b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, this is greater than 0, then we have x value, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the value of x. Now if this value under root is greater than 0, so that means it is any greater than 0, it is a natural number. Yes. Therefore we get two roots, then x value is equal to as either minus b plus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a, or it is minus b minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. We'll get, in this way we will get two roots. Yes, and therefore they are, therefore the roots are, therefore if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation, are real and unequal. They will be real and unequal. Two different roots we will get. Okay. Now the third possibility, that is, if the value of b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have taken here equal to 0, here greater than 0. Now we'll take if it is less than 0. If value of b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So when it is less than 0, then here the roots, here see, then value of x will be equal to as what? It is, that is minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. Here what happens? This is less than 0. So here when we talk about b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, that means what? B squared minus 4ac is a negative value. It's a negative value. We will get negative value. Yes. So under root, when it is negative value, then the root is, you cannot take it out of the root any negative value. Therefore here the roots are not real. Therefore here, if this is less than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. So now here, so always the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends on the value of b squared minus 4ac. Yes, this value of b squared minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. The nature of the roots quadratic equation depends on the value of b squared minus 4ac. Therefore b squared minus 4ac, this is called as discriminant value. It is called as the discriminant, and it is also called as the discriminant. It is in Greek letters, it is called as the delta, denoted as in a small triangle shape. Yes, this is known as delta. That means this is equal to as b squared minus 4ac. So